Test Buds, it's Cathy with Cathy's Garden, and I'm so happy that you've joined me today. Today we're going to make quick and easy paperclip pockets. But first, let's have our shout out to Vicki, Ricky, Dee, Shelley, Holly Grove Journals, and Martha. I appreciate each and every one of you. All right, you guys, we're going to use cardstock for this, and we just need small pieces of cardstock. The largest piece is going to be 6 by 3. Okay, and what you'll want to do is take your cardstock and fold it in half. So here we go. Let's just fold this right in half. My bone folder. And then what we want to do is we want to go ahead and open it up and take our large paper clip and clip this paper clip right on the top, just like that. So the larger part of the paper clip is in the back. And put it in the middle. Okay, we've got that. So then let's go ahead and let's glue it closed. So, and before we do that, I want to see about adding a tag. About if we add a little tag right here on the side. Almost forgot. I think I want this one. Or do I want this one? But I'm going to put this on the top. Let's go ahead and put this one. I've already inked it. So I'm just going to add it right here. So it's going to be inside our fold. So we're going to fold it this way and we'll have our little tab right there. So I'm going to go ahead and add my glue. I'm going to be generous with it. And I'm going to shut this. And then I'm going to just pin it. I'm going to paper clip it. Just for a few minutes while it just grabs a hold. Just like that. Isn't that adorable? Now we're going to need to ink around the edge, and you're going to need to get another piece that fits right here on the top. Now I've chosen the same color. You can choose a different color. It's whatever you would like. And I am going to find the middle part of this. I'm going to have my tuck spot on the top. So I am going to just mark it and then bring in my thumb punch, and punch it out. And then I'm going to ink around the edge quickly. All right, and let's go ahead and remove our paper clips. I think we're nicely glued now, and I think I just need to ink it right there on the top and probably on the bottom and the back. There we go. Now this is going to fit right here. Now you can see the pink underneath. Isn't that cute? That's cute already, right? So let's go ahead and let's glue this down. So I'm only going to glue these 3 sides. So a little bit of the glue. Just like this. And I'm going to attach it to my page. Once again, I'm going to bring in some paper clips just to help me hold it for just a second while we kind of decide what do we want to put on here as decoration. I've got a pretty big butterfly. I think this color is really pretty. It might be too washed out though. Let's see, how about the yellow one? Oh, the yellow one's sweet. That's very sweet. How about a number? How about a black background number? Right here. Or do we like one that says New York better? Oh, come on now. I kind of like the black one. I liked it a little better. Maybe something like that. I think I see some bling in this, and I'm thinking, let's go ahead and ink this butterfly a little bit so it's not so white around the edge. Okay. And then I'm just going to give this an ink. Let's go ahead and take this off, and let's ink around the edge. Now, I want to check to make sure that I don't need to trim right here, and I do. So I'm just going to trim this just a little bit, just on this side, turn it around, and trim it just a little bit on this side as well. Just like that. Okay. Oh, super duper cute. Let's go ahead and get the butterfly down. Do I want any book page in here? I'm not sure. Let's give it a try here to see if that's something that we like. Maybe so, huh? Just for a little added something going on. Okay, I do like it. Let's go ahead and add this. And let's glue it down. Okay. And let's glue our butterfly down. And I want to, I'm not going to lay it down quite yet because I got to get this one. I'm going to lay them together to make sure I get what I want here. There we go. I think I like that. Now, I'm going to grab a little bit of bling. Okay, you guys, I thought I wanted gold, but I don't think I'm going to like gold. Here's the gold, how it looks here, but I don't really care for the gold on there. I think I want to use the pearls. This has a softer look to me, so I want to put the pearls on. So let's get them off of here. Good heavens, let's get them off. There we go. Put some pearls on here, just like that. Oh my goodness, isn't that sweet? Now, we need to get our little journaling card placed in here. Let's make sure it fits. It's a little tight, so I think I'd like to trim it just a little bit, just so it's not quite so tight. I don't want to have to argue with this to get it in. Oh yeah, that's much nicer. And then I'm going to need to trim it right here. Oh yeah, that's perfect. Absolutely perfect. So let's round the corners of our journaling card just a little bit. And do we want to decorate this in any way? We could put a label on it. We could put a bow. Let's see, what do we want on this journaling card? Let's see. I don't know about another butterfly. How about if we just say New York on it? With maybe a bow. Oh, that's cute. Okay, just something very simple. Look here. I'm thinking we could actually journal on either side. You could put a piece of coffee dyed paper on the back if you would like, for a little easier spot to journal. You could do that. That's super, super sweet. And see that you can journal on the back of that. That's no problem. It's not that dark. And then this fits so nicely. It's still wet, but we're going to get it in there. Right in here like this. And then on your page, see, this is your page. You can just clip it right on your page like this. And then you'll have a tab that sticks out. Isn't that cute? I made a few more. I made this one. Now this one is a side tuck right here, a side pocket I should say. And there is no tab on this one with the side tuck. You don't really get a tab in the side tuck. And then I did one like this, and I used journaling paper, not journaling, collage paper. And whoops, and throw it on the floor, Cathy. And with this one, this is the journaling card. It's a piece of collage. It is coffee dyed on the back. And that goes right in here like this. So this is a top pocket right here. So it's got its little tag here, its tab. And then I have this one. This one's really sweet. It's got its tab as well. And then its journaling card. And then just journal on the back. Oh, you guys, I think these are absolutely adorable. And they're so easy and simple to make. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. I invite you to subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you in my next video. I'll see you there, guys. Bye now.